morning children, I am sharing from GK Jain School. Today in this class, we are going to see the 4th standard social science unit 1 kingdoms of rivers classwork. In the previous video, we have seen the book back exercise. Now we are going to write the classwork for this lesson.
In a fresh page, draw double line margin and write the name of the lesson Kingdoms of Rivers in the center. In the margin, you have to write the date on which we are going to write the classwork. So I simply mention date there. Our first subheading of this particular lesson is dictation words. In this we are going to write 10 dictation words. Since the dictation words are little bit big, I am going to tell you how to write it in a simple way. So I am going to tell you the splitting up of words, which will be very useful for you to learn a bigger words. First one, Moovendargal. Moovendargal means Chera, Chola, Pandya together will called as a Moovendargal. This spelling we are going to split up and learn like Moo, M-O-O, Moo, Vain, V-E-N, Vain, Dar, D-A-R, Dar, Gal, G-A-L, Gal. So, Moovendargal. If you learn it like this, it will be very easy for you to learn a bigger spellings. So our first dictation word is Moovendargal. Second one, Nedunjeraladan. Nedunjeraladan was also called as Imayavaramban Nedunjeraladan. As he hoisted the flag of Cheras on the Himalayas, he got that name. Now we split the word Nedunjeraladan. Ne, N-E, Dun, D-U-N, Chera, C-H-E-R-A, La, L-A, Dan, T-H-A-N, Dan. Third word, Cheran Senguttuvan. Cheran Senguttuvan was the son of Nedunjeraladan. He was the one who built a temple for Kannagi. Now we split the word Cheran. We already know the spelling of Cheran since we learned many times, or else you can split the word Cheran as Che, C-H-E, Che, Ran, R-A-N, Ran, Cheran. Senguttuvan, S-E-N, Sen, Gut, G-U-T, Gut, Tu, T-U, Tu, Van, V-A-N, Van, Cheran Senguttuvan. Our fourth word is Kallanai Dam. Kallanai Dam was built across the river Kaveri by the Chola king Karigala Cholan. Now we split the word Kallanai Dam. Kal, K-A-L, Kal, La, L-A, La, Nai, N-A-I, Nai, Dam, D-A-M, Dam, Kallanai Dam. Our fifth word is Pandiya Nedunjeriyan. Pandiya, P-A-N, Pan, D, D-I-D, Ya, Y-A, Ya, Pandiya Nedunjeriyan, N-E, Ne, Dun, D-U-N, Che, C-H-E, Che, Re, Z-H-I, Re, N, Y-A-N, N. The spelling of Nedunjeraladan as well as Nedunjeriyan will be similar, so don't confuse yourself. Nedunje will come in both the words. After that only the spelling will be different. Our sixth word, Kaveri Pumbatidam. Most of you will have a doubt in the spelling of Kaveri, whether you have to write the spelling that come in the book's exercise, that is K-A-V-E-R-I, or this spelling C-A-U-V-E-R-Y. Both the spellings are correct only. This spelling Cauvery is the British converted word. Since we have to write it in a uniform way, we prefer you to write this spelling Cauvery, Kaveri. Poombattinam, Poom, 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 Pat, Pat, Tit, Nam, Nam, Kaveri, Poombattinam. Seventh word, Mahabalipuram. We can split the Mahabalipuram as Ma, M-A, Ma, Ha, H-A, Ha, Ba, B-A, Ba, Li, L-I, Li, Pu, P-U, Pu, Ram, R-A-M, Ram. Or whenever the sound of Puram comes, you can easily write as P-U-R-A-M, Puram. So this is the spelling of Mahabalipuram. Eighth one, Kanjipuram. Kan, K-A-N, Kan. Chi, C-H-E-E, Chi. Puram, P-U-R-A-M. As we already learned the spelling of Puram in the Mahabalipuram, it is very easy for you to write it in the Kanchipuram. In some of the spellings of Kanjipuram, instead of double E, it will also come high. The spelling of Kanchipuram is also correct. Ninth word, hospitality. Hospitality means receiving your guest. Learning the spelling of hospitality is very easy if you know the spelling of hospital, because we are going to add ITY to the spelling of hospital. That's why it is very easy. If you don't know the spelling of hospital, no issues. Os, H-O-S, Os, P, P-I-P, Tal, T-A-L, Tal, E-T, I-T-Y, E-T. That is the spelling of hospitality. Our last and final word is feudal lords. Feudal lords are the Kurunila Mannargal or Kadayelu Vallalgal. Spelling of feudal lords. Few, F-E-U. Don't put W there. It is feudal. So, F-E-U. Dal. D-A-L. Dal. Feudal lords. L-O-R-D-S. Lords. So, these are all the 10 dictation words in this lesson. If you learn this spelling very well, means it will be very easy for you to learn the question answers, fill in the blanks, and also the detail. If you want to write the splitting words in the classwork, you can write it in the pencil. At the side of each words, you can write it in the pencil. Since these words are the names of the kings or places, I prefer you to learn this way so that it will be easy for you to learn. Our second subheading is fill in the blanks. First question, Kalladai Dam was constructed by the Chola king dash. Kallanai Dam was constructed by the Chola king Karikala Cholan. So the answer for this question is Karikala Cholan. Second one, dash offered gooseberry to the poetess Avai. He was one among the feudal lords. The answer for this question is Adiyaman. Adiyaman offered gooseberry to the poetess Avai. Third, dash put his shawl around the peacock. He was also one among the feudal lords. The answer is Pagan. Pagan put his shawl around the peacock. Fourth one, dash was specially called as Kon Vendan. Who was called as Ko Vendan? Answer for this question is Arasan. Arasan is called as a ko or kon or Vendan. Fifth question. Purananuru describes dash as one of the important duties of Tamils. The answer for this question is hospitality, receiving your guest. Purananuru said that receiving your guest, which is hospitality, is the important duties of Tamils. So the answer for this question is hospitality. Now we quickly see the fill in the blanks. Our first one is Kallanai Dam was constructed by the Chola king Karikalan. Second, Adiyaman offered gooseberry to the poetess Avvai. Third, Pagan put his shawl around the neck. Fourth, Arasan was specially called as Kon Vendan. Purananuru describes hospitality as one of the important duties of Tamils. So these are all the 5 fill in the blanks for this lesson.